Welcome to the second episode of the Future Jobs in India. I'm sure you would have had some level of knowledge and information in the first episode. In the second episode, we are now going to cover a few more jobs which will become the future jobs for India. One of the subscriber and the viewer, thank you Nagesh for posting that question that sales will never go out of circulation. I do agree with it, but today we are going to start with the most sought after digital marketing specialist. Now, when I say digital marketing specialist, there is an estimated 2 million jobs are getting created every year beginning from 2020 onwards. Now, what is driving digital marketing expertise requirement or the digital marketing specialist roles? Now, business are more and more are moving away from offline mode. When I say they are moving away from the offline mode, consumers prefer to buy things online. Thanks to pandemic, many of us now would have thought that we will buy groceries and vegetables which is actually available next door. Instead, we started buying them online. Therefore, the digital marketing specialist role are becoming much more hotter, and India would require at least 2 million of them annually, right? Also remember, the penetration level of internet in this country is about 40%, which also means a digital market expert should be able to handle the social media impact on consumer behavior, the traffic on internet about the consumer behavior, and he should be able to help the sellers to sell the product much more efficiently and keep on add value to the kind of expenses he would have incurred otherwise on offline. Online not only works out to be cheaper than offline marketing expenses, online also is easy to specifically measure the success of a particular program. Therefore, the digital marketing roles are becoming hotter in India. Now, the second job which will become pretty hot in this country is the cyber security specialist. Let me take a step back and refer to one of my video in which I was talking about the exponential expansion expected in the area of IoT devices. Wearables for one will touch about 2 billion devices in the year 2022. Across the globe, there are going to be 64 billion, which is 10 times the human population we have in this planet. 64 billion IoT devices will be under use across the globe by the year 2025. Now, what is going to drive this behavior of IoT expansion? There are multiple reasons, but the single most reason is LPWAN. The low power WAN, the global population will get 100% coverage on them. Added to that, some of the technologies, Meta, S12, Facebook, is also implementing or investing heavily, close to about $10 billion this current year alone, towards metaverse, something which will be created using augmented reality and virtual reality. Therefore, the threat for cyber security will quadruple. Added to that, the globe is looking at rolling out 5G, including India. Now, 5G is nothing but a feast for the cyber hackers. They'll be now in a position to hack into systems much faster, much swiftly, much cleaner. Therefore, the cyber security specialist role are becoming not only critical, but they are going to be in demand. To give you a perspective, India being an IT hub for the globe, there is expected to be 8 million cyber security specialists. Let me repeat it again. 8 million cyber security specialists will be required for this country as a service from this country to the world by the year 2022. We hardly left about few days for the new year to begin. That's a kind of a demand cyber security has a potentiality in this country. Now, the third topic which I'm going to cover in today's episode is machine learning. Now, machine learning is mildly different than rest of the artificial intelligence and deep learning. But it is important for us to understand what is machine learning is all about. For example, if you're browsing for a product to be bought in internet, how is it Facebook or any other medium or any other social media comes to know that what are the choices of the product you are looking for and how they are landing up recommending products for you. They're making the machine to learn about the consumer behavior. So you are the data, and therefore the data is analyzed through the machine learning process, and more business are created. Therefore, machine learning is a very specialized skill, highly paid skill. Remember my word before I sign off from this video. Machine learning jobs in this country are going to be 6 million jobs by the year 2023. Unfortunately, the country can produce only 90,000 specialists. Now, how are we going to fill up the gap? Where are we going to nurture people? How are we going to access technology is a big question, will still remain to be unanswered, because machine learning has become the most important task for investment by the techies and the big techies of the globe. Before I sign off, a piece of advice. Whenever you are in a social media, whenever you are on internet, if you are buying, accessing service free of cost, remember, which means you are the product for the product and services which is offered to you at free of cost. Anything comes to you free means the product or services is experimenting on you. Be aware that. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Ravi's iView. More in next. Signing off.